Welcome to Smooth Operator, where self-care meets simplicity. Today we're talking about Brazilian waxing at home. Yes, it sounds intimidating, but with the right method, it's safe, effective, and salon quality. Most people avoid Brazilian waxing because they think it's too painful, they fear uneven results, and they worry about irritation. And honestly, these fears are valid if you skip the basics. But with the right steps, waxing becomes much easier. Step 1. Prep your skin. Wash, dry, and gently exfoliate the area a day before. This removes dead skin cells and reduces the risk of ingrown hairs. Step 2. Pick the right wax. Hard wax is beginner-friendly. It sticks to the hair, not the skin, making removal cleaner and less painful. Step 3. Apply and remove. Spread wax in the direction of hair growth, then remove it against the growth in one swift motion. Confidence is key here. Step 4. Aftercare. Calm your skin with aloe vera or a fragrance-free lotion. Avoid tight clothes, hot showers, and heavy workouts for 24 hours. Here's a golden tip: wax temperature. Too hot? Irritation. Too cool? Weak grip. The perfect consistency. Like warm honey, smooth, spreadable, never runny. Remember the formula: prep, choose, apply, care. Follow these steps, and Brazilian waxing at home goes from stressful to empowering. Did this video help? Give it a like so more people can find it. Subscribe for weekly beauty tips. Share your own waxing experiences in the comments. Let's grow confident together.